Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can withdraw on Okx. So in order to withdraw funds on Okx, first of all you have to go ahead and log in into your Okx account. Once logged in, that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page you have to go ahead and tap on the asset icon located right at the bottom, and then you'll be taken to this sort of interface. So from here you need to go to the fundings tab from the top, and you can see there is this interface as deposit, withdraw, transfer or history. Since you're withdrawing, so click on the withdraw button, and as soon as you've done that, it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So verifying your identity is very essential part for crypto app. If you have not verified your account, you'll not be able to do any sort of trading. So then to begin with, you have to go ahead and tap on the verify now button located right at the bottom, and as soon as you're done verifying your account, then you need to begin with the withdrawal process. So then to begin with the withdrawal process, you have to provide in the bank account or the credit card, debit card detail, so that you can transfer the funds to, and you have to enter, and along with that you have to enter in the exact amount that you're withdrawing and all that, and you'll be able to withdraw amount of funds from Okx. So in this way you can withdraw funds from Okx. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.